What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode with me, the Bassinator, and my co-angler Mornay. Jean, as all of you know, is in America, and so he's our spare angler. Hopefully we can get on to some good fish today at Roodekoopies. Yeah, we were supposed to fish the Vol River, but it was cancelled as there was a spill. I think it was a sewage spill. So yeah, it is what it is. So we had Roodekoopies. I've never fished Roodekoopies, so yeah, it's gonna be a tough one, but hopefully a good video comes out of it and you guys enjoy. So keep on watching and catch you later. Dude, I'm gonna swing him quickly. It's a fighter. Small though.
This feels good.
Where is it?
God, he's good.
It's a carp. That's a barbel, bro.
No, man, are you serious? Yeah. It's not like they're not eating our baits. It's... That's the one. Dang it.
Oh my god. It was also a funny bite though, and I just lifted the rod and he was on. So guys, yeah, it's pretty much almost the end of the day. It's about 3:30. We're trying this last little rock pile, catching fish, but just small ones. Really, we just haven't found any quality fish today. So it just hasn't been our day, but at least we got bag limit and get some points, I guess. Yeah. Slowly, bruh. Yo, that was close.
There you go. Right. Let's see. Ooh. Let's see, you know. Very nice fish. And it is 2.8.
So guys, we are at home, and yeah, today was so tough. For it being my first time at the dam, we struggled there. Look, we caught fish, we kept on catching fish. It wasn't like we didn't catch fish, but it's just we couldn't get those keepers. We just couldn't find the big ones. Mornay caught and had to release about a 4 kilo barbel that we thought we were like, you know, that's it, we got it. But yeah, the day was not easy. Caught on Mojo rig, stretch 40s from ittys secret baits, caught on Ned rigs, we caught on jerk baits and deep diving cranks. So almost everything we threw we caught on. but we just couldn't entice that big bite, so it was a tough one. So yeah, well, hope you guys liked that bit of a video. Wasn't much, but that was our day. Team Timols didn't do so well. I think our bag was 2.3 something or 2.4, and then the winning guys I think was just on the 7 kilo mark, if I'm not mistaken. But anyways, it is what it is. You win some, you lose some, and hopefully in the next one we'll do better. So yeah, hit that like and subscribe button, and keep notified to my videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace, love you all. Ow!